Right, I'm back. Now, I've just taken, do you remember I cut that off the felt I was using before? And I've just cut a strip off that and made a little loop. And then from that, I found this fabric and I've done 2 pieces the same. Right, so now I've got this fabric and I've matched it both sides the same, and I'm just going to start from here. Just get that bit of fluff out of the way. And I'm leaving a little gap because I'm going to be stuffing it. And then adding some tinsel. So I've got the red tinsel and I've got a red stripe, but I'm not going to use that because I'm going to use my red ribbon to go across the middle. But what I need to do now is to fill this. I've got some cotton fibre. Well, not, it's like a, yeah, it's like a cotton fibre actually, this one. A little bit more. You just want to make sure you use a needle to poke it around and put it in place, because I've put a little bit extra in that so that when I fill sew this section up now, it'll work. Great way of using up all your fabrics. I mean, if you're not doing anything that's Christmassy, but you're going, you know, colour coordinating everything that's to your taste, then you can use any fabrics, can't you? So I'm okay with that. And then, like I say, you just use your needle to bring all of that back into place where it needs to be. See, like that. Yeah, and they can bring a little bit more out of that, I think. Bring that round into here. Yeah, that'll do. I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to go to the back of this and stitch this in place. Now, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next is going to work. So we'll see. Now, I just cut this, joining the 2 pieces together and folding it in half and cutting that shape out. Easy. And I'm going to glue this on here. Like that. Now, you might have some of this fabric in some of your fabric bundles that you bought from me. I'm going to be putting some more up. Like that. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Oh. Now, before I do any more, I've got this ribbon. And you're only going to see one side of my tree. You know, of the bauble on the tree. Is it going to be on the tree or on the fireplace? I'm not sure. Right, okay. So I'm just going to do that first. Then cut that bit off. like that. And then I'm going to glue over that, like that. Yeah, I'm okay with that. That's lovely. And I don't want it too much, like that. Not sure if I cut that a little bit too short, but it'll be fine when that's on the tinsel, when the tinsel's on, I mean. That'll do, that'll be fine. I mean, it's so easy to make decorations today for your trees or for your house. Like I say, I don't like to waste anything. But look, you can do anything. I could do something like that. Isn't that gorgeous? I could even just do that. Actually like that. I actually like that. And it's a brooch. So I don't even have to glue that. And I can just pin that in to there. Like that. Oh, that's just pretty, isn't it? Something very basic and very simple. That is gorgeous. And then you can make a mixture of them. I possibly should have had this further up, but you know, I'm not fussed. I like it. You can see the pearls. And what I didn't put on, which I should have put on, but I'm going to do it using this. I was going to use that, but then I've changed my mind. And I'm just going to use this on here. Now let me get my finger dobber thing. Like that. And then just snip that off. That will be on the tree. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to harm anything. And that will just hang on the tree. Not too high or low. As quick as that. Let's see if we can do another one. Now, I've just got a thought. I've just had a thought. I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut it with my pinking shears. Let me just take that label off. So if you get them, your label should just peel off. And it's already... Oh, not them. Pinking scissors, mate. Just had them. There we are. So I'm going to do a pretty broad band. Okay. Now I've got this one, which is the red felt. Okay, so I now need to cut a heart out of this one. Oh, you can see a little bit more, can't you? Yep. Okay. Let me just put things away. Right, so again, it's just a matter of yeah, just a matter. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to use that hanger and I'm going to glue that in here. I'll just do that one for now. I can trim it all off, make sure it's all the same size in a minute. Right, so I'm just going to go inside there to hide that knot. And then we're just going to get this going. And don't worry if you're not a neat hand stitcher. I mean, I'm not, but I do try. But it doesn't matter. When it's handmade, why do you want it to look like it's bought? You want to take pride in what you do, no matter what. Now you could do this in white around the edge. You can, you know, mix your colours. Don't be frightened to mix them. I could have used a nice white thread on this. And it would have looked fine. You could stitch them on the sewing machine. You don't need to do them by, it's still, you know, you're making them by hand, but you could put them on the sewing machine and do it that way. Use a broad stitch on your machine. And put a bit extra in so that I can fill that in when I finished. So I'm back to this section. And that is glued, so that doesn't need any more stitching. One more. I think that'll do. Okay, so let's put my needle away. And I'm going to take this. I need the bigger needle just to firm this one up a little bit. Okie dokie, that's a little bit full in there. I've just pulled that, never mind. But anyway, we've got to that stage. Okay. So that's fine. Put my other needle away. So what I'm going to do now is to take that strip. Where's that strip? Do you see that strip there? Let me just see. I thought it was thinner than that. I want it a little bit thinner. There we go. Right. So what I'm going to do now is just to brush that off, and I'm going to lay this across here. For now, just like that, to hold that down. Like that. Yeah. And then we'll flip that back. Push that down into the edge. Then we can just trim that off. Now I don't want to do anything on the back, because you won't see these. Even if I hang them up on the fireplace, you just won't see them. It's as simple as that. You won't see the back of them, I mean. And I'm only giving you ideas. I mean, I might put them in the shop yet. Because I can't remember what colour. I'll have to look at the photographs what colour I had last year. But I know I like to do my fire surround and that, so yeah. Okie dokie, now we just need to get some of this again. And these are my idea, they're not somebody else's. They're what I've done many times. I think I did some last year, didn't I? But I didn't put the tinsel around them. Right. Yeah. Oh, they're quite pretty, aren't they? Quite sweet. Now, you can put like things like this on. See? I could hang that from there if I wanted to, then put some beading on or something. I'm not going to do that with this one. I like the sheetness of them. Oh, no, I do like the sheetness. So you don't want anything too much. You just want simple things. Don't overdo it. You see? Oh, I mean, look at that. Just to put that on there. Oh, just Christmassy sparkly, isn't it? And then have something hanging down like that. Oh my. I just want something to dangle from that, actually. I'm going to put that across there. I'm going to hook that onto there like that, you see? Gonna, whoops. Trim that bit off. Just hang on. Getting caught a minute. Oh, just love that. And I'm just going to do that. So, just put that on there like that. You don't need anything else. And that, oh, is just gorgeous. Now look at those. One made with felt and one made with fabric. And you can do anything like them yourself. They're so easy. I love them. Yeah. So they'll be on the shop in a minute, but they're quite nice. Oops. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I shall speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.